Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Studio to record your screen so you can capture high-quality gameplay or tutorials in 2026. First, create a scene and source. OBS works by using scenes as your layout and sources as the actual content you want to record. Open OBS Studio. Look at the scenes box in the bottom left and click the plus icon to create a new scene. Go to the sources box next to it, click the plus icon, and select Display Capture. Next, adjust audio and start recording. To make sure your audience can hear both you and your system sounds, you need to check your levels. Look at the audio mixer at the bottom. You should see bars moving for desktop audio, system sounds, and mic, aux, your voice. Click Start Recording in the controls dock on the right side. When you're finished, click Stop Recording. You can find your video file by going to File is greater than Show Recordings in the top menu. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.